ICT. No more shot. 19 seconds. To Ampere sa ilalim. Ampere sa ilalim. Ampere sa ilalim. Na naman, oh. Wala. Rebound by Labitan, number 44. Labitan to Dayaw. To Ampere sa ilalim. Ang umaharang Giba. Score is 30 against 39. Remaining time 17 minutes and 10 seconds. City nakuha ito. Priyas to Politiko nagmamadali. One out move. Melmans. 15 seconds to shoot. Sapong ng 44. So Melmans. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. It's a troubling violation. Now 6 minutes and 30 seconds. The score is 39 against 32. Pito na lang ang kalamangan. Go, Ampere. Yes, 15 seconds to shoot. Ampere, to Politiko. To Dayaw, 10 seconds to shoot. Dayaw, wala. Labitan. Up, my whistle. First foul rep. Number 9, Milmats. First personal foul. First team foul. Labitan, number 44. First throw. Yes, one move. Shoot tayo. Second throw. Yes, complete 2 points. Di hinay-hinayan man. 5 na lang ang kalabangan. 34 against 39. Number 19, Salvato. Number 27, to cross. Number 4, to meron ng 2 points. Wow! 22 points. Remaining time 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Politiko. 15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha yung Labitan. Labitan to Dayaw. Libre sa lalim. But mahina. Connect by 2 points, Mr. Ampere. Nakadiay. City number 27. Remaining time 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Score is 36 against 41. Nakuha na number Priyas. Priyas connect 2 points. Melmans to cross. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Melmans block by Ampere. Abi. Ampere nakuha ng cross. Saya nga sa bola eh. Tuwa kay Sapo up. Para Mr. Politiko. Time out. Labitan. Score 41 against 38 in favor of Bilyabita. Tatlo na lang bola sa Bilyabita. Remaining time 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Melmans to CP to cross sa ilalim. Block by Dayaw. Nakuha ang number 11 to Labitan. Labitan to Ampere sa ilalim. Foul, Mr. CP. First personal foul. CP number 27. CP. Kuha kay Sapong. Tomel Max. To Sapong ulit. May whistle. Foul Mr. Hayat. Last 2 minutes. First personal foul Mr. Hayat. Second team foul. Sapong first throw. Wala.
Nice. Box.
Second throw. Wala pa rin. Nakuha kay Dayaw. Dayaw to Hayat. Remaining time. Remaining time 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Wala John. To Amper. Wala ka.
Out eh.
Wala. Foul yan. Oscar Rep. 27 CP. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Hayat to Amper. Amper ng nalabaw na naman sa ilalim up. There's a whistle. It's a traveling. Saya din na naman. CP. Number 27. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Nelmax. Wala na ibabalikan.
Gigi, balik.
Labitan, nagmamadali. Labitan, Tobulizan. Wala. Rebound by City. Up.
Symbol.
Ball, arrow position.
Symbol.
Symbol. Ay, up. Sa. The oras is 1 minute and 24 seconds for the end of third quarter. Amper, Tumulizon, Tudayaw, ay napitawan ng bola. Nakay Sapong. Sapong Tomel Max. So Sapong. There's a whistle. It's a foul committed by Mr. Melmax.
Sige na, ayaw. Nagkuhan. Ibalik na dito. Ready.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Ang nabili nitong oras is 1 minute. First throw, wala. Second throw. Score is 39 against 41. Connect. Isa na lang ang lamang. Second to play. 15 seconds to shoot. City. To cross. City. Sa ilalim sa atin. Nakuha kay Cross. Wala. Nakay Dayaw. 35 seconds. Rizal, number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 25 seconds. Nakuha kay City. Nakay City. Number 7. 19 seconds. Tumira 3. Yan. Kanina pa yan si number 19. Nakay ng Dayaw, number 16. Dayaw to Amper. 10 seconds. Amper sa ilalim. Pinasa kay Hayat. Nakuha kay Hayat. Up! There's a whistle. Foul Mr. Melmax. Nakasabit pa ng foul si Mr. Hayat.
Penalty.
Last 2 seconds. Penalty.
2 seconds.
Last 2 seconds. Penalty. Ay katawan ko sa uban. 2 seconds na lang nabilin. Connect. Igualis na ang score. 41-44 guys. City. Inabutan sa oras. Okay.